Hello. In today's Behind the Window program, I will provide you with information about the CA601 semi-automatic profile cleaning machine. Our machine is used for cleaning the burrs on the upper and lower surfaces and the outer corner of welded frames. The machine operates completely with a hydro-pneumatic system. This means the movement of the cleaning blades, the upper and lower cleaning knives, and the rear cleaning tool is entirely managed by the hydro-pneumatic movement mechanism. I'd like to start by providing information about the machine's capacity. The maximum height of welded frames must be 180 millimeters. That is, the maximum height is 180 millimeters. The maximum width is 130 millimeters. The minimum height is 30 millimeters, and the minimum width must also be 30 millimeters for us to be able to process with this machine. I will also briefly provide information about the frame dimensions. The minimum frame size for a profile approximately 30 millimeters high is 350 millimeters. For frames with 60 millimeters width and height, the minimum frame size is 380 millimeters. The machine operates with a fully automatic cycle system. This means once the frame is placed on the table and its placement is detected by sensors, it automatically starts the burr removal process, and after the process is complete, it stops automatically. The machine operates with a fully automatic cycle system. This means once the frame is placed on the table and its placement is detected by sensors, it automatically starts the burr removal process, and after the process is complete, it stops automatically. On the machine's control panel, as you can see, there is a switch. This switch allows you to select whether to perform only the cleaning of the profile's upper and lower surfaces, or only the outer corner cleaning, or the burr removal of all three together. Moving to the back of the machine, you can see a cover. There's a switch on this cover. This means it is not possible to open this cover during operation. It closes automatically. Along with the machine, as Yilmaz machine, we provide the tool for cleaning white profiles as standard. That is, we provide the standard tool that scrapes the upper and lower surfaces for white profiles. The knives that perform the cleaning of the rear side are specially made according to the customer's specific profile. We provide technical support to our customers on this matter when needed. The cutter set at the back of the machine can be adjusted very easily. The cutter set, which is prepared externally, can be mounted onto the back pneumatically. This process can take up to 1 or 2 seconds. Technical information on this, such as how to change the tool and how to adjust the tool, will be explained in more detail by our technician colleague in the Technical Service Department. As I mentioned earlier, once the frame is placed inside the machine, the switches we see here become active, and the working cycle starts automatically. And the cleaning process is completely finished within a few seconds. The working principle is actually a quite simple system. It is possible to perform this cleaning process on both white profiles and colored profiles. We provide the cutter set for white profiles along with the machine as Yilmaz machine. Upon request, the customer can have the cleaning knives for colored profiles provided by us as an option. This is the general information I can provide about the machine. We also provide an air gun and a working stand as standard with the machine. Our machine also has another model called the CA603. In this model, 2 cutter sets are ready at the back. The operator can activate the second or first cutter set when desired. This way, savings are achieved in setup times, tool adjustment times, with our CA603 version machine. This is all the information I have about the machine. Soon, our technician colleague will give you detailed information on how to adjust the cutter set. Now, I invite our engineer colleague, Mr. Anil, here for the demo operation. He will show how the tools work on a welded profile, and after the process, we will all look at the profile after the cleaning operation has been performed. Thank you. Please, Mr. Anil.
Hello, Mr. Arai.
Hello, welcome.
First, for the demo to start, we need to close the back cover. We have a safety measure for this. We need to lift the emergency stop here and then close the cover.
Okay.
After the cover is closed, the machine is ready to work. The switches inside the machine will automatically detect the profile and initiate the start process. The operation I need to perform for this is to press the profile against the switches here.
You made a selection here.
Yes, here both the upper-lower cleaning and the saws will work automatically. The cutting process is also finished.
You made a selection here. Yes, this process was quite fast within a few seconds. Yes, the important thing, of course, is the adjustment of the knives, isn't it, Mr. Anil? The cutter set for the deburring process is already ready. There is no need to make an adjustment there for the upper and lower knives. Only for the rear cutter set, an adjustment needs to be made beforehand, and you will give us detailed information for that process. Yes, as you can see, our machine performed a very neat, high-quality burr removal process. It is a very practical and rapid machine. Well, thank you, Mr. Anil.